down here is the basement. This is the man cave. And also, it's got a washer and dryer. This actually looks nice. Looks nice. And I think that is it.
Nice job. Excellent job.
Thank you.
So that was a video.
That was the video of the house tour at 86 Victoria. Plus, we got the exterior and the interior. I got the house tour all set up. We got the man cave in the basement. And I guess that is it.